hello everyone. Again with the topics. First of all, today is World Environment Day, and the theme on this Environment Day is growing together, nurturing nature, nurturing ourselves. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, because as we plant a tree, or we start with a sapling and then grow to a full tree, that is just same like growing a baby and see his or her or them to become a an adult. So that is also with the tree as well. And definitely the more the more happiness you get when you take care of your child, the same happiness is always also with the nature growth. Okay, because it gives you uh, just like your son or your daughter gives you immense joy and pleasure when they grow, same as with the trees, they also give you oxygen. On the base of that you live. Okay, rain, that is also very crucial thing for all the human beings, all the living beings, and also for our agriculture sector. Okay, so that is also plus point, that nature gives you. Yes, nature not gives you in indirect way, the nature gives you in direct way. The rain, sunlight, reflection, they produce foods, vegetables, what you required is always give by the nature. So why are you not taking care of it? Why still we are juggling with this, and day by day we are deteriorating our environment? Okay, by inducing lot of infrastructure, by industries, factories, and in the with the replacement of that. Okay, for instance, we plant a new industries and companies in the sector where the plants are should be grown. For example, the land that is very enriched with nutrients and soils, why on that plain area we are more towards uh, companies and industries. That's why we are wasting our land. Okay, and on that land, uh, so it is like a depreciating element for our country like India, which have a good type of soil and a different types of soil that is beneficial for agriculture, but we are not using it. We we choose land on the basis on not on the basis of the soil, on the factors. We are choose on the basis of the areas. Okay, where we connected to different areas, states easily. So this is also neglecting view towards environment, because you should know that environment is not as you think what you want. Okay, environment is a natural thing. Okay, you should move towards that. Environment is not moving towards you. Okay, air is day by day getting more polluted just by using, as the number of vehicles on the roads are getting increased. Everyone has two or more than two vehicles in their houses. Okay, that is quite an alarming thing. Every person has their own vehicle is a type of that you are creating so much pollution, and we are not switching it one by day, not an odd even situation in every state. So this is also very high level of pollution created. After that, you also do not save water. Okay, we used groundwater as an free 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 resource that is never gonna be finished. Okay, and I want to tell you that in the earlier times, when I was 10 years old, or might be 11, there are some hand pumps, or might also you be seen in some areas. Most of the areas have hand pumps. Okay, even I also have. I In my house there is an area that particular hand pumps is there, and also in the streets as well, so that the persons passes by, and the person who don't have in water, maybe electricity gone and we don't have water, we can take from that. But nowadays there are no hand pumps on the street. Just why? Because the groundwater level is getting decreased day by day, and now the hand pumps can't work that much. Okay, because their pipe is not that much undergrounded. Okay, So that's why they are stick to that. Even the motors, even the water that is taking us is also getting reduced. Okay, and most of the uh, submersibles are, they should be inculcated in there, and they waste their lot of water into such a silly things where they can reuse the water, recycling the water, but they are not. Okay, so that is also very disappointing. Third thing is that also waste some materials, resources that is very limited in nature, like petroleum, petrol, where we use these things in in very numerous ways. Okay, and also that we should save electricity as well if you have to. Okay, if you have a proper system of solar panels, you should you should take initiative towards it. And definitely it is cost effective when you apply once, but it's only when you apply first. Okay, it is an initial cost adding. After that you have a very good amount of current you get used. And also this is a substitute and a good method. Okay, and you are somehow supporting environment in such a way. Okay, second thing is recycling the things. Okay, first of all, use don't burn the plastic, don't use the plastic. If you go to the market, make sure that you should take your own bag, or you should take your own things. Don't buy polythene bags. Okay, because they are using. Actually, you start with one. Okay, maybe your family, try to talk to them and tell them that they shouldn't do like these things. Okay, they should carry their bags towards their houses. Or according to me, if you are a vendor, definitely you should not sell it. Okay, yeah, it is a negative thing, because most of the vendors say that most of the buyers are refusing to buy vegetables just because they don't have any bag to carry. Rather, if the vendor do not have a bag to carry, they are not buying it. So this is indirect way the loss of a vendor. And this loss is uh, doesn't noticed by any person. So that's why. And also this loss doesn't afford by a vendor who has limited amount of things, and who want to sell their vegetables, and it is also something that he earns daily. Okay, and is like daily earning salary he has. So that's why he should keep the things with themselves. Mostly cases are there who are selling the plastic bags. Okay, still, just because we are not buying it. Okay, until if if you change your perspective, definitely the vendors are not keeping it. If you're not asking it, why the vendor keeps you do it. Okay, so that's the thing. I also watch in my areas that they are now the people perception change. Now if you don't ask for the bag, they don't give you. That is a very good thing, because in the earlier time they always give you. Okay, but in now areas that they shouldn't force you, and I think so you should carry your bags. It is not, it is no local, it is no cheap thing. Okay, according to me it is very good thing if you carry your bag, or if you carry any bag that is good for you. Okay, don't plastic bag. It's just I think used jute. If you can buy jute bags, definitely it's good for you, because if you buy once, definitely not waste it from a sum of time, and you just buy from that. Okay, so this is a good thing. Don't as much as plastic you should use. Very good. Okay, and also I can say, if you have plastic, just bury in the soil or collect it into a different thing, and then goes to, maybe there are some recycling dumps, and if you don't have recycling dump, then give it to simple for the garbaging. Okay, not burning them. So this is also a plus thing you should do. I think so you should work on the little details things to improve the environment. And yes, use recycling the water you use for your used for your clothing is also used for washing the things. Like if you have an in vehicle, if you want to doing the things, so okay, so don't waste your water into a very basic things. So that is plus point. That is also, that is you have to do. So how the environment works? So environment have a lot of problems. We should try to cope up with one by one and try to initiate the effect. Even one tree plant one tree in a week, or in after 10 days you should plant a new tree, so that the plant grow. And always like, yes, this supports me, and please try to do that. So this world's environment day, we promise ourselves to plant trees, to not cut trees, support environment, save water, recycle water, and don't buy plastic if possible. Okay, don't use plastic, don't burn plastic. Okay, and I think enough for environment. Okay. Thank you so much.